Okay.
This is things parents should not let their child do. Go, Cameron. Recover the football. What's wrong with you?
Now go down there and do what we told you to do. Go get that football. You don't leave the football behind.
Frostbite settling in?
You help me up, right?
Belle, go get him. Belle, go get him. She don't want anything to do with the snow. Go get him, Belle.
Come on, you should have got your football while you were there.
Belle, go get him. Go get him, Belle.
Cold.
Go.
Do it again.
Last time, but get your football this time.